Right, this week I'm going to try and get this battery pod completed. It's been hanging around for a while, so let's get it done. I suspect I won't be able to because I've still got quite a lot to do. I've got to grind and put the end cap on there. I've got to weld these together for the skid brackets, and I've also got to put the attachment for the rail, for the battery rail. So there's still quite a bit to do, and I'm also slightly disabled today because I've actually got to go to work at 12 o'clock, which is a real pest. I'm hoping it won't take too long, but it still ruins my day. The dreaded grinding. This is the last of the... How many have I done? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. This will be the 8th one. Right, next thing is to weld the attachment bracket on for the battery tray and then weld the end cap on, but I've just got to go to work, unfortunately, and do a quick job. So I'll quickly get changed and get it done. I'll be back in a minute.
I think there's groove on this one even. I might lift it up first. Yeah.
Perfect.